Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo, and I'm here to explain was and were, simple past tense. Okay, so simple past tense, what is that? So the time for simple past tense is an action in the past that is complete. It is finished. Another way to say that, an action that started in the past and ended in the past. So it is not happening right now. It's already done. Okay, so today we're talking about the simple past tense for the verb be, the be verb. Okay, just to remember what that is, in simple present, the be verb is am, is, or are. Right? I am, he is, you are. But today, we're doing the two be verbs in the past, and the first one is was. Was. Was is for singular subjects. Singular means one. Okay? So I, he, she, or it. This could be one person, one animal, one thing, just one. And of course, he means one man, she means one woman, it means one thing. Were is the other one. Were. Were is for plural subjects. Okay, plural means two or more. Again, two or more people, things, animals, any subject. The examples, you, we, they. So one thing to remember about you is it's kind of a special subject. We call it the second person, and it is for singular and plural. So I can talk to one friend and say, how are you? And at the same time, talk to three friends and say, how are you? It's the same thing in English. Okay? When we do grammar, we always use the plural form of the verb. Okay, so make sure you remember that, right? Because it is a little different from other languages. Okay, here are some examples with was. I was a college student for 8 years. She was a chef in her country. Thomas was tired after playing soccer. The computer was new. Okay, so here I have I, she, Thomas, the computer. These are all singular, one person or one thing. Now, with were, some examples. You were a manager at Fullerton Cafe. That means I'm not the manager anymore, right? That was in the past. They were born in Germany. We were mechanics last year. Right, so here we have you, they, we. Everything in plural form. Okay, so here's a quick quiz. So try to figure these out. It's only was or were. I'll give you 5 seconds to pause the video, and then I will give you the answers. Okay, so I hope you have the video and you paused it. Here are the answers. Number 1. Maria was late to school. This one is Maria, that's one person. Number 2, they were barbers in their country. Number 2 is 2 people, they. Number 3, he was at the store yesterday. He is one man, so we use was. Number 4, my dog was small last year. This is one animal, so singular. Right, maybe the dog is big this year. Number 5, you were a new student. Again, this is in the past. Now you are not a new student. So you is plural form. And number 6, we were busy on the weekend. So we is 2 or more people. Okay, so I hope you learned a lot. If you learned something, make sure you like the video or subscribe. When you hit the red subscribe button, you can get all the new videos every week. Okay, so thank you for your time.